Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into some essential tips and tricks that will help you achieve your health and fitness goals. So let's get started. Number 1. First and foremost, it's crucial to establish a well-rounded fitness routine. Incorporating both cardiovascular exercises and strength training will help you build endurance, burn calories, and increase muscle strength. Consider activities like running, cycling, swimming, or engaging in various sports. If you prefer a gym setting, focus on exercises like weightlifting, body weight exercises, or circuit training. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity per week, along with strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. But remember, exercise is only one piece of the puzzle. Number 2. A healthy and balanced diet is equally important. Fueling your body with nutritious foods will provide you with the energy and nutrients you need to perform at your best. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats in your meals. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible, and limit your intake of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Consider meal prepping and planning your meals ahead of time to ensure you make nutritious choices throughout the week. Number 3. Another essential aspect of a well-rounded health and fitness routine is flexibility and mindfulness. Incorporating activities such as yoga or Pilates can improve your flexibility, balance, and posture, while also reducing stress and promoting relaxation. These practices can also help with breathing techniques, focus, and mental clarity. Consider dedicating a few minutes each day to stretching or engaging in a yoga session to improve your overall flexibility and mental well-being. Number 4. Hydration is often underestimated, yet it plays a crucial role in our overall health. Make sure to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to keep your body properly hydrated. Water helps maintain healthy bodily functions, aids digestion, and keeps your skin looking radiant. Carry a reusable water bottle with you wherever you go, and aim to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters of water each day. Remember, your water intake may vary based on factors such as climate, activity level, and individual needs. Number 5. In the midst of our busy lives, we often overlook the importance of quality sleep. Getting sufficient rest is essential for recovery, repair, and overall well-being. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night, and create a soothing bedtime routine to relax your mind and body before you hit the pillow. Avoid electronic devices and stimulating activities before bed, and create a calm sleep environment that promotes restful sleep. Prioritizing sleep will boost your energy levels, enhance your cognitive function, and support your overall health. Lastly, don't forget the power of social connections and support. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for health and fitness can provide accountability, motivation, and a sense of community. Join fitness classes, sports clubs, or online forums to connect with others on the same journey. Consider finding a workout buddy or a personal trainer who can help you stay on track and challenge yourself. Remember, having a support system can make your fitness journey more enjoyable and successful. Remember, investing in your health and fitness is a lifelong journey. By incorporating these tips into your lifestyle, you'll not only transform your physical well-being, but also enhance your overall quality of life. So, go out there, be active, make healthy choices, and enjoy the amazing benefits that a fit and healthy lifestyle brings. And if you are still looking for that one simple trick that can change your life and make everything better, it's time to turn your life around and to feel the best you've ever felt by buying Fitness, Potential, and Diet Package in the link given in the description below. Quote of the day is, "Eat to fuel your body, not to feed your emotions." Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.